Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to achieve this cute natural blowout hairstyle, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my blowout. I'm not a professional. This is just what gets the job done, so I don't have to go to a salon and get my hair blown out and all that. I usually go to the salon and get my hair trimmed and stuff, get my ends clipped. But yeah, for this past week I wore my hair kind of slicked back in the bun. I just want to straighten it out. I've already washed and conditioned my hair. I use Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. Simple. I believe I got this at like Target or something. For its ease, I've already run this through my hair. I usually use a Tresemme detangler. I ran out of that, so I just before this I combed out, I detangled my hair with conditioner, and then I rinsed it out. You're gonna need this it's a 10 wiggle spray leave-in. This is really good. I also sprayed it in my hair when it was a little bit more damp. You need a blow dryer as well. This is a Conair cord keeper. I've had this for years to dry your roots. You're gonna need I love this. Like, this is amazing. This is the Revlon, I don't even know what it's called, but essentially it's like a blow dryer but a brush, and you just brush your hair out. I love this. This works wonders. Flat iron, need a curling iron. This is Pro Beauty Tools, because I can't find my other favorite curling iron right now, so we're gonna use this for now. I'm gonna use this to curl like my bangs and stuff, my bangs. We're gonna need this. I spray this on my hair like when it's fully dry to give it a little shine. Don't spray a lot because you don't want your hair to be oily or greasy, but I spray a little bit of this on there, and it's a heat protectant as well. Go ahead and spray some. I like to spray a little bit before I put heat on my hair. And it's so good. You need a comb, maybe a detangler brush. You're gonna need some hair clips to clip your hair up, and probably like a hair tie to control, and then slowly for later slick our edges back. And that should be it. Let's get started. so I finished blow drying my hair. You can see. I know my ends need to be clipped. I split ends definitely. I might trim them a little bit. But yeah, so you want to try to get your roots as straight as possible, your hair follicles as straight as possible. I might run through it a couple more times, but then I'm gonna flat iron my hair. I'm gonna use the comb through method. Okay, now we're about to flat iron. I found you're gonna need a tiny flat iron for your edges and for that kitchen handy. And then I finally found the curling iron that I really like, that I want to use. It's Hot Tools Professionals. I don't even know. Yeah, I really like this one. This one feels really good. So, but first we're gonna flat iron it. So this is it. Final product, straighten. So I'm just gonna curl my bangs. I'm gonna curl it in the front and style it. When I tell you guys I love this curling iron, it still gets me. You can get a smaller curling iron, but I love the big kind of curls. It makes it look way natural. Now I'm gonna use my edge booster, my spoolie to hook up my edges real quick. Cut a little piece. Curl the edges. I can dab a little bit on there. Now I'm just gonna, and I kind of like to just play in my hair, just to like let it do whatever. But yeah, you can touch it up like however you want. Add a little bit of hairspray to hold your curl. All right, girls. Well, this is the final look. I hope you like. This took me a total of 2 hours. Easier said than done. But yeah, I'm loving it. This is like my go-to like blowout style. Yeah, the only thing I need to get my ends clipped, but other than that, this is it. You can style it up however you want to. I usually wear my hair like straight for like a week and I wash it. Whatever. I hope you girls enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.